hurricane. Sunday, September, what is today, 13? It's like a 14. Getting ready to blow away. Limbs everywhere. Everybody's losing shingles today. Hope I can show some of the, there's a tree. On my roof flapping. Whoa, I can't hardly stand up there. I can see the trees. I'm just getting 3 an hour. There's smallmalls trying to walk. Yeah. Let's see, I'm going to show Diane's house. It's blowing shingles off the roof on it like crackers when it gets hit. There, I'm going to look right into the wind now. Oh, there was something just flew by. It's been gusting. Look at this little bird sitting on this post right here. He went, oh boy, there he took off. Alright, it'll start gusting here again in a second. There now you can see Diane. David, he just got a new roof his frame, so it's in pretty good shape. We've done had a lot of limbs blown out of our trees. Trying to see if we got any damage to my building. I don't see any. Unless that cap up there's been out some, that may be possible. Gutters all look like they're in good shape. Downspouts still on it. Okay, I'm going to try to make that towards the end again. Here comes the gust. Hopefully you can see everything fine in there. Leaves going there. Movie. This thing takes pretty good moving.
That post is why that movie's gonna be like.
Yeah.
You'll get seasick watching that movie.
Oh, I imagine. Yeah, I walked out here a while ago. Well, first time I come out and shingles on her roof and just, I mean like 20 of them just all blew over the top and went up everywhere.
Well, see, she said last spring when we had these put on. She said, well, I've been thinking about getting a new roof put on my house. But she just changed all of her insurance down where she got a $30,000 deductible. So save for $200 a year, but so
across the road, top blowed out of that.
Yeah.
And there's some big, on this front side of her, that tree there's a lot of them blowed out. Man, look at all the stuff in there. Golly. Yeah. Man, oh.
Get it moved.
I see everybody's out over at John Paul. There's the top finally blowed out of that tree again. It's laying on the ground. Oh, I see my battery's back, guys. Yeah.